everyone. Wait, no, hold on. Let me put on lip gloss. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Natalie and I am doing a closet clean out for you guys. This has been a video that I should have filmed so long ago, but I just never did. I really want to film cleaning out my closet, decluttering my closet, and just showing you guys how I get rid of things. And hopefully by the end of this, you guys haven't seen the closet yet, but it'll look a lot emptier. And I want to explain my situation first. Love like cleaning out my stuff and just like getting rid of things. It just makes me feel so good. I'm not someone that has attachment to items. Like I could get rid of anything. That's not to say I could be a minimalist because I don't like living with little things, but I can get rid of anything. You know, like I don't have an attachment to something because, oh, I wore this one time. I haven't worn that in a few months. Get rid of it. I don't really second guess myself. And I guess it is also because I do have the privilege of having a job on the internet, and with that I do a lot of brand deals with clothing companies. I get sent some stuff for free. It's easier for me to get rid of stuff because in the back of my mind I know that I might get something else from a company, so I go into that knowing that. That's just happens to be my situation and I am very, very grateful for it. But I do still want to declutter my closet. And the reason for this is, I don't know about you, but I feel like I need to rebrand myself every year. Want to start becoming more fashionable. And it's so weird to say, but one of my New Year's resolutions was to dress up more and not just lounge around the house in sweatpants or in yoga pants or in my workout clothes. Actually put on an outfit even if you're not doing anything. And I've been halfway successful with that, I will say, but it feels good when I dress up and I feel better when I dress up. And I used to be, you guys, so fashionable, like for the time, not like compared to today. Now I look back at those outfits and I'm like, in high school, I won best dressed. Looking back is just funny. I used to wear cute clothes. I used to really care about what I wore. I used to go shopping a lot. I was on 17 Magazine's Style Council where I would like be part of their fashion program. Okay, so we're walking down memory lane to when I was in 17 Magazine Style Council. I got a whole spread in 2012, which was just like insane, especially for being in high school. I was in the magazine with Kendall and Kylie. No, I never met them. I was just in their same spread. My head looks absolutely huge. I was in Aeropostale stores. And honestly, I just love looking back at these moments because that was considered fashion back then. Like I was considered fashionable at this point in my life. What? But all of that to say is that I used to be really into fashion and I feel like I completely let that go. I do want to get more into fashion and I feel like I just have lost that over the years and it feels like a part of myself is missing. This is so cheesy. I know it's superficial. So many of you are rolling your eyes. I still hope that you guys enjoy. If you guys enjoy a good decluttering. I wanted to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Privacy. Privacy.com is such a secure way to purchase things online. So like I said, I'll be online shopping for new clothes more because I literally haven't been to the mall in like 2 years. It allows you to online shop without using your real credit card. You actually get a credit card online and you can use that credit card to purchase things in a very, very secure way. It has military grade security, so you know that it's like super, super secure. It doesn't sell your data. It doesn't steal your information. It is the safest way to purchase things online, and I know so many of you are online shopping just like myself. I know I'm not alone in this, especially in 2021 in a pandemic. It is also 100% free to use. So if you're wondering how they make their money through merchants, that's why it's totally free for you as a user. I think it's personally genius. I'm always scared of getting like hacked or something online. I have this system that will like let me know if my identity gets stolen, and I pay like 10 bucks a month for it because I'm just like so paranoid. But yeah, this is a very secure way of making purchases. And it also has a account summary now. You can see what you're spending each month and where it's going. So it's like a budgeting feature. You can actually like add a budget in there and make sure you're not going overboard. It's easy to get carried away. So if you guys want to check out privacy.com, you guys can go to privacy.com/NatalieBarbu. Use my code in the description and you will get $5 to spend on whatever you want. Thank you, Privacy, for sponsoring today's video. All right, guys, let's get in to the closet. Okay, let's do it. Oh, the dog bed is here. Hold on. All right, this is my closet. so here is the criteria for getting rid of it. We have to have a criteria. Whenever you're cleaning out your closet, that's like step number one. Number one, if I haven't worn it in the past like 6 months, I'll say, because 6 months is a good enough time to, you know, get the warm weather clothes, get the cold weather clothes. So I'll say 6 months. And if I don't see myself wearing it again in the next 6 months, get rid of it. Another one is if it still has the tags on it, get rid of it. If it doesn't fit me, there are things in here that don't even fit me. Why are they in here? No. And if it's just not my style anymore, if it's not my vibe, if it's not my style, get rid of it. I don't have attachment to things, like I said, so let's do it. I have like way too many jeans, way too many things. All right, I'm gonna start over here. I usually just start picking stuff up and throwing it on the floor and seeing what fits and what doesn't. I don't really try stuff on, so you're just gonna kind of be with me while I do everything, and then hopefully at the end you will see some sort of closet transformation. Okay guys, this is like the most risque thing in my closet. Hello! I actually think it's so cute for the winter. You know, it's the leather jacket. A lot of stuff that I have from Brandy Melville, I just feel like is so childish now that I want to get rid of. There are a very select amount of things that I have in my closet from Brandy. This shirt that I'm wearing actually being one of them, plain white tee. But there are some things that I feel like are a little childish, and even though this is just like a plain black tank top, I feel like I never wear it. I have so many other ones that are a little bit more mature. Like it just feels like something I would wear in high school. I don't know. I'm gonna part ways with it. Things like this that are just like pilling already. Like I love this top, but this is just a no. Again, this is one of my favorite tops and I have worn this for maybe the past 5 years, but it is just pilling already. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks worn and it looks old. So I'm gonna need to find a replacement of this, because this I literally got like 5 years ago and it served me so well, but I think it's just time to say goodbye to it, which makes me really sad because this just fits me so well. It looks a little old already. See, I like color in my closet, but I just feel like there are some things that I feel like I'm not gonna really wear this yellow. I like it, but like I'm not gonna really wear it. Like it's just not my style anymore. I'm not getting rid of all color, but this is just like, I don't know, it's just, oh, I'm just gonna give it away. Okay, I got rid of all my shirts, so I don't have that much left, which is good. I can actually see everything in the front, because before I literally couldn't see anything in the back, so that's good. So shirts are down, and now everything else to go. Let's see, let's do like this shorts section. Good to show you guys. Like this skirt, I think I don't really see myself wearing it anymore. Or like some shorts that are just too small on me, like these just hug my butt too much, give me a huge wedgie. Time to get donated. All right, keeping these. Now for the jeans, because you guys, I have some jeans that just do not fit me, and I have some jeans that are just plain ugly right now. One of my favorite jean companies is Good American. I think it's Khloe Kardashian's line. Her jeans fit so well. I posted a picture on Instagram with some cute little ripped jeans. They were Good American. Really recommend them. Really love those jeans. Alright, I got rid of 4 pairs of pants. That's pretty good, I feel like. I feel like I definitely made some damage. And now I'm gonna go on to my dresses, which my dresses are so hard to see. Let me just like show you guys an example. Like my dresses are all the way back here. So they're so hard to see. So I'm gonna try to get rid of a lot of them because there are just so many of them are hidden back there that I just don't even know I have. So let's hope that I can get rid of most of them. then I have stuff like this in my closet. I got this for Coachella, but obviously Coachella got canceled. And I don't know, like I want to keep it because it's so fun. Like I feel like one day I will need this. So things that are extravagant, I will keep because I'm like, you know what? It doesn't cost me anything to keep this little number in my closet, so I'm gonna keep it. Imagine this with a pink wig, that'd be a look. One day I will be able to wear that out. I will have a wig party and I will be able to wear this with a pink wig. But until then, we wait. Okay, now my jackets. Let's see what goes. I have so many sweatshirts that I don't want to get rid of, but let's see what we got. Being short, it's so hard to get back here. It like hurts my arms so much. I love all my leather jackets. Like I'm literally, you might think like get rid of one. No. The biggest dent in that because I love my jackets, I love my sweatshirts. It's so hard for me to part from them. I'm actually going to go through my workout clothes and get rid of all of my workout clothes, not all of them, but get rid of some of my workout clothes, especially ones that don't fit me, because you guys, I don't know if I've just like grown or gained weight or developed curves or something, but so many workout clothes don't fit me anymore, so I'm going to start getting rid of some of them. And now, time for the final reveal of everything I'm getting rid of. Hey guys, I'm getting rid of all of these clothes. Big pile right here. Oh, it feels so good, but it literally looks like it didn't even make a dent in my closet. Guys, so I have everything in garbage cans or not garbage cans, garbage bag, and I had some family go through it, and now the rest I am off to donate. I hope that this video motivates you to clean out your closet, because I got this whole bag and this whole bag, and I literally had like a full other bag before I gave some away to like some family. So I got rid of a ton of stuff. So hopefully this motivates you to get rid of some junk in your life. It doesn't have to be clothes, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys like this video, let me know. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, bell notifications, all that good stuff. But I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.